if you could describe the Southville Fun Run in one word, what would it be? Is what motivated you to join Southville Fun Run this year? If you could describe Southville Fun Run in one word, what would it be? Okay, good morning to you, Miss. What's your name po?
Hi, I'm Malia.
What motivated you to join Southville Fun Run this year?
I just want to raise funds and have fun with my friends, that's all.
So good morning to you. Your name po?
I'm Jacqueline Hoxton. Danielle Cruz.
If you could describe Southville Fun Run in one word, what would it be?
Fun.
And for you, my question is, what was the most memorable part of your Southville Fun Run experience?
That this was my first run ever.
Good morning to you. What's your name?
Sophia Nirine Gabriana from
Okay.
SLC.
From How does the Southville Fun Run inspire you to live a healthier and more balanced lifestyle?
Kasi first timer ko mag-run, then sabi ko, minotivate lang ako ng friends ko kasi yung boyfriend niya is nagra-run din. So, then sabi ko, try ko lang muna. Well, I'm running naman na din sa around lang sa amin. Then sabi ko, then in-inspire lang ako ng mga friends ko.
So your friends motivated you? Pwede mo ba ituro kung nasan sila?
Ay, no? Ito, ay na isa.
Okay, sige. Mamaya sila din sa atin. Okay. Thank you so much. Ayan, so good morning sa'yo, Bern. I'm going to interview you. My question is, if you could describe the Southville Fun Run in one word, what would it be?
Challenging.
Challenging. You run how many kilometers?
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. Can you show your 10 km shirt? All right. Thank you. So, Doc, I want you to describe Southville Fun Run in one word.
Exciting.
Exciting. Thank you. That's it. Thank you so much, Doc Avik. What's your name po?
Miss Kat.
Miss Diane po.
Good morning po. So, I have one question here for you po regarding the Fun Run experience, no? What motivated you to join Southville Fun Run this year?
Aside from being able to help the chosen charity, running is really one of my goals for the 2025. So I shoot my shot.
Oh, wow. How about you, Me?
For me po, I want also to become healthy. This is one of my goals, but this is also for the benefit of the others so that we can help at least for running as well as supporting them. Yeah.
Thank you so much po, Miss.